Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Yamaha Ténéré 700 first look. So make sure to watch the full video. The 2023 Yamaha Ténéré 700 is unchanged this year, other than a modest $200 price bump, which means it's still a highly versatile motorcycle at an attractive price. Although it focuses on being an adventure motorcycle, note the 21 by 18-inch wire spoke wheel combination shod with Pirelli Scorpion Rally STR tires. The Ténéré is also a capable sport touring motorcycle and commuter with a wind-diverting fairing. To further its off-road bona fides, the Ténéré 700 features almost fully adjustable KYB suspension. There's no compression damping adjustment for the linkage-assisted shock, with around 8 inches of wheel travel at both ends. With the 4.2-gallon fuel tank filled, the Ténéré hits the scales at a manageable 452 pounds, and 9.5 inches of ground clearance comes in handy during off-road excursions. Associate editor Neil Wyan has been building the ultimate motorcycling Yamaha Ténéré 700 project bike, so you can see how personalized the motorcycle can be. In our tests of the Ténéré, we have been impressed with its easy handling, spirited Crossplane crankshaft parallel twin motor, capable suspension, and Brembo braking with fully defeatable anti-lock braking system. Since its US introduction just 2 short model years ago, the 2023 Yamaha Ténéré 700 has established itself as a leader in the mid-size adventure motorcycles genre. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.